Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to talk about the new sharp Aquos R2. So you guys already know sharp phones have always been a bit strange side, and the new released Aquos R2 makes no exception. The company just unveiled the second generation of the AQUOS R lineup with top-notch specs and an interesting feature: dedicated camera for video recording. The phone comes with a high screen to body ratio with a small notch at the top for the selfie camera. The screen itself measures 6-inch in diagonal, sports and high speed IGZO IPS panel with 19:9 ratio and WQHD plus 14.100 Hz refresh rate. The highlight list continues with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is also expandable up to 400GB via microSD card. So you guys can extend till 400GB. That's pretty amazing. All of this is powered by 3130 MHz battery and runs on 8.0 Oreo-based OS. As for the camera setup, there is a standard 16.3 MP front-facing sensor for selfies and a double camera configuration at the back. One 16.3 MP unit just for video recording and another 22.6 MP sensor for stills. That's pretty amazing. I'm not clear about the clarity of this phone, but the picture quality of this phone. Okay. The video only camera comes with a few cool features. It records in 4K in an ultra wide angle, 135 degrees. Although the angle narrows to compensate for shaky. In addition, all AI takes photos automatically during a video shoot. You can see what the video camera is capable of, what the AI live shutter works, and how it handles image stabilization in the simple videos below. Hope you like my video. If you like it, please share, subscribe and comment. I didn't got any subscriber yet, so please help me to grow my channel.